So I'll be showing you how to turn off or how to turn on automatic screen brightness on your iPhone. Now for this tutorial, I'm using the iPhone 14 Pro running iOS 16, but it's the same instructions for other iPhone models and even the iPad. So what you need to do is go to settings. On the main settings page, scroll down to accessibility, tap on that. Under accessibility, tap on display and text size. And then under that, look for auto brightness. You can see mine is enabled. If you want to turn off automatic brightness, turn that off. To enable automatic brightness, turn that on. And now you'll have automatic brightness depending on your ambient lighting. So this is where to turn off and how to turn on automatic brightness on your iPhone. Once you choose the setting you want, just hit the back button and go back to the home screen, and it's as simple as that. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.